Hey everyone, this is Beth Boucher from Inspiring Young Learners, and here's a quick tutorial on how to make your own enrichment choice board. First, I'm going to show you how you can assign and use this choice board. All you're going to do is you assign this through Google Classroom or whatever you use, and once it's in presentation mode, the students can choose which activity they want to do, and it will take them directly to that link. Some of the items, like the Duolingo ABC, which is free and a really awesome app, is an app, so you might have to preload that on your students' devices. The same with the Story Sock Puppet. So those are really great ones, but if you cannot preload them or if they don't have iPads, then you might run into some issues with that. So just kind of check that out beforehand if you need to have a login for any of these activities. Otherwise, they should be able to click and go directly to that site and choose some activities to play. So these are great to use with kids for homework or extra choice time or over break if you want to just give them something fun to do. That would be a great way to do it. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your own. We're going to exit out of full screen here. And the second board is blank. It has no links and it has no writing. So you'll first want to put in the writing. You'll click here and go to text box. And maybe you have an account with Raz Kids, so you might want to put read 3 books on Raz Kids. Okay, and then you would go through and write different activities for each of them. If you use Flipgrid or Jamboard or Seesaw, whatever you want to do and you want to get the kids to log into, you can just fill them in wherever you want here. To add the link, you then will put a shape and you'll put that around the picture. You can put it around the whole rectangle. And you want to make sure that the shape is transparent, and you can make the border transparent as well. So now once you have a shape over it, you can go up here and you can add any link that you want. So if you are connecting them to Raz Kids, then you would pull up that link. You would copy it, and then you would go to the link, insert link here when that shape box is highlighted, and you just paste it in there. And now kids can go to that link. So you can fill this whole chart in with whatever you want and wherever you want your kids to go. If you want to make a couple different versions of it, then feel free to just copy and paste this, and then you can make a few different versions. I hope you find that helpful, and I hope it gives your students some choice in their activities to practice English.